On August 22nd, on the Blue Line in Charlotte, an attack shook the entire community. The victim was 23-year-old Iryna Zarutska, a young Ukrainian who came to America seeking safety from the war. After work, she was heading home on public transit when, without any reason, she was attacked by Decarlos Brown, a man with 14 prior arrests. Iryna did not pass away instantly. She fought for her life for several minutes, while no one around stepped in to help. Today, Brown faces federal charges, and he could be sentenced to the ultimate penalty: death.
Far too long, Americans have been forced to put up with Democrat-run cities that set loose savage, bloodthirsty criminals to prey on innocent people. Really very, very innocent people. In every place, they control radical left judges, politicians, and activists, and they've adopted a policy of catch and release for thugs and killers. In Charlotte, North Carolina, we saw the results of these policies when a 23-year-old woman who came here from Ukraine met her bloody end on a public train. And here's a picture of it. This is the picture of it. And this is a picture of the woman, a beautiful young girl that never had problems in life, with a magnificent future in this country. And now she's dead. She was slaughtered by a deranged monster who was roaming free after 14 prior arrests. We cannot allow a depraved criminal element of violent repeat offenders to continue spreading destruction and death throughout our country. We have to respond with force and strength. We have to be vicious just like they are. It's the only thing they understand.
President Trump demands death penalty for suspect. In North Carolina, serving a drink to someone who is clearly intoxicated is actually a crime, a Class 1 misdemeanor. That means the bartender can be held personally responsible, and in theory, it could even mean a short time in jail. But here's the real question. If a bartender can face charges for pouring one more drink, what happens when a judge releases a man who's been arrested 14 times and may even be mentally unstable? And what if that person goes on to take someone's life? Who is responsible then? The individual, society, or the judge? Magistrate judges releasing violent criminals without bail often aren't even lawyers. Judge Teresa Stokes, the magistrate who released the man accused of murdering a Ukrainian refugee, never passed the bar, and there is no evidence she even completed law school. In fact, in states like North Carolina, South Carolina, West Virginia, Virginia, Texas, and Arizona, magistrates are not required to be lawyers at all. Back in January 2025, the decision in his earlier arrest was made by Magistrate Judge Stokes. In North Carolina, magistrates are not elected by the people. They are nominated by the Clerk of Superior Court and officially appointed by the senior resident Superior Court judge in Mecklenburg County. That's Judge Carla Archie. And here's something many don't know. To become a magistrate in North Carolina, you don't even have to be a licensed attorney. By the way, Judge Carla Archie, the one who ultimately appointed the magistrate who released the suspect, was honored in 2019 with the Julius L. Chambers Diversity Champion Award by the Mecklenburg County Bar. That award recognizes contributions to diversity and equal opportunity. It has nothing to do with this case. Still, it raises serious questions about how much we really know about the people making these life and death decisions in our justice system. It's time to ask ourselves, are we becoming a sick nation? GoFundMe removed a campaign that was set up to raise money for the man accused of this brutal crime. Think about that. In America, someone actually tried to fundraise for a killer. And in the end, here's the question for all of us. Should judges ever be held responsible for their decisions? Or is society itself to blame when dangerous people walk free? How much responsibility should judges carry? And are all killers truly insane, or is that just an excuse? Let us know what you think in the comments. Choose your next video. If you enjoy courtroom drama, brilliant attorney moves, abusers getting what they deserve, or other compelling cases, stay with us and watch your next video.